Take a ride in the 2018 Model 3. The Tesla Model 3 was built for safety, technology, efficiency, and acceleration. That rare combination makes this a vehicle for the ages. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lamps, LED headlights. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.